everybody and welcome back. This is Dr. Mridula here. So what is the usual recovery time for LASIK? So generally, unlike other procedures which might take quite some time for you to completely recover, LASIK is an extremely smooth, painless procedure and the recovery time is in fact quite fast. So generally you can get back to your regular activities, almost most of the regular activities within 24 to 48 hours. So I thought I'll just give you a timeline about how things are and what you need to be aware of. So during the first 6 hours, one is you might have a little blurry vision or a little hazy vision. You might also have a little bit of a discomfort where you will feel a little bit of burning sensation, itching sensation, like a gritty feeling. Okay, and you will also have an increased sensitivity to light. So now this period is very important because you need to give good amount of rest to your eyes. Do not overstrain your eyes during this phase. So the day one, that is the next day after the procedure is being done, you would actually notice that there is a dramatic improvement in your vision. So probably after you consult your ophthalmologist and after the ophthalmologist gives you a green signal, then probably you can get back to your work or even you can get back to your driving. So here again I would recommend that do not drive for long hours at a stretch. Make sure you have small daytime trips, because again night driving will be a little difficult. It can cause a lot of glare and halos. And even if you have to look into the computer, do not sit in front of the computer for long hours. Make sure you take breaks in between. Adjust the lighting so that it doesn't cause a lot of strain to your eyes. Because again, your eyes are still healing. It requires that time for the natural healing process. During the first week, you will notice that your vision is actually, becoming more sharp. But make sure that you strictly use the antibiotic eye drops, the lubricating eye drops, as prescribed. Because many times when we feel our vision is good, we tend to forget about these things. But no, make sure you're strictly using these eye drops as prescribed by your ophthalmologist. Also, make sure that you do not rub your eyes. Do not put too much of an eye makeup, okay? Do not go for any swimming or any high impact sports where it can hit onto your eyes or cause any displacement. So here, this time, all these things are very, very crucial. Within 1 to 3 months, you would notice that, even nighttime driving is absolutely fine. Like how previously you had all these glares and halos, that would be almost reduced by now. The dryness would have improved drastically if and only if you've been using those eye drops regularly. By usually 3 to 6 months, your vision completely stabilizes. That's like the final visual outcome. Okay, so by now you can get back to all your day-to-day everything, whatever you were doing before, you can get back to it. Okay, so that is how the entire timeline post a LASIK surgery goes. But again, let me tell you, most important thing is do not overstrain your eyes during the initial couple of days, because that is extremely crucial. Don't skip your eye drops, because that is equally important, because healing is very, very important. But nowadays, we have so many advanced procedures that it really doesn't take so long for it to heal. It is much faster right now. But again, just make sure that you do not be too confident and just give your eyes the required adequate time for healing. Okay, so think about it. Take care.